Hi, in front of me is REALME Narzo 30, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on sound and vibration over here, and click on the switcher next to vibrate on ring. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. Now click on sound mode and select vibrate. This way you can mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. Finally, scroll down, choose more sounds and haptics over here, and click on the switcher next to vibrate on touch to enable or disable touch vibrations. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!